Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to pair the i12 TWS clone AirPods. These are the second gen or the improved versions of the i12 TWS. I'm going to show you guys how to pair them with an iPhone XR. Now my iPhone is actually updated to the latest iOS 13, so let's do this. So two things to keep in mind before connecting the i12. When you open up the lid, just make sure they're both lit like this in the red lights touching, which means they're both touching the base of the case and they're currently charging. So if you open it up and you see the blinking lights, just press the button on the case back here. Press it one time, just give it a one press, and then you close it out and open it back up just to make sure that they're both in this red lit up so that we're ready for pairing. So let's go ahead and close this out. And what we're going to do now is go into the iPhone XR settings, and it should work the same for the other iPhones like iPhone 10, iPhone XS or 10s, and iPhone 11 if you're using iOS 13. So we'll go to Bluetooth here, and then we'll toggle that switch on. We'll just turn on the Bluetooth settings and just have it ready for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. So you'll see i12 will show up, and of course they'll do all of this crazy nonsense, but don't connect it with that yet. You want to actually do it yourself. So we'll have it like this, open up, and we'll long press the button on the back of the case now. We'll hold it down. You'll see it light up like this, and then the left side becomes the pairing mode, okay? So don't do anything yet. Wait for it for this time around. This is the one that we want to connect. So we'll connect it like that from here. It'll say connecting, and just wait for it to connect. And it's raining. That'll take a few seconds. And of course, once that's fully connected, you just select done, and it'll show up as i12. And you are connected, and that's it, guys. You're good to go. So it's gonna be a bit tricky. It may require more than one try, but it will work once done properly. So other than that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.